Welcome back to the show. If you are like most small business owners, then you always keep your eyes open for ways to grow your business. And affiliate marketing is one of the most efficient ways to do that. In this episode, we are going to go through 7 ways you can integrate affiliate marketing into your business. My name is István Bújdosó, and this is the 47 Marketing Show that reveals smart tips and efficiency hacks for busy entrepreneurs to get more marketing done in less time. Let's quickly talk about why affiliate marketing is one of the most efficient ways to grow a business. Because without a lot of hard work, you can almost instantly expand the ways you serve your clients, either in a way that you solve more of their problems or you solve their same problems but much more efficiently. Many companies offer affiliate programs for digital or physical products, or for softwares, or for courses, or for subscription-based services. The goal is to recommend solutions that logically fit into your business and to create win-win-win situations, which means that your customers and audience get more help, the affiliate company gets new clients, and you get commissions. Okay, let's go through a couple of examples to make these things more clear. Somebody who is a coach can easily integrate affiliate marketing into their business by recommending related books and audiobooks, for example, through the affiliate programs of Amazon and Audible. Those products don't clash with the core business, they can be great additions to the coaching. Another example, in case of an accountant, recommending different things would make more sense. Something that would logically fit into that business nicely and would be useful for the clients as well, like a bookkeeping or an invoicing software. Think about your business and the problems your clients and target audience have, and then look around for logically related softwares, products, and other things that offer affiliate programs, and keep recommending those in your marketing to help your audience more. In a moment, I will tell another great tip that you can leverage to make more money with less marketing efforts. And now let me ask you a huge favor. If you enjoyed this episode so far, then take a moment to click on the like button right now, because that way the platform will recommend this episode to more people. Thank you for supporting us with your like, and now let's continue. Here's another great tip that you can leverage to make more money with less marketing effort. The 2 most common types of affiliate commissions are one-off and recurring payments. For example, when you recommend a book and somebody buys it through your Amazon affiliate link, then you get a percentage, a one-off payment for it. On the other hand, some subscription-based softwares work differently. When somebody signs up to that software through your affiliate link, you keep getting a percentage of their subscription fee as long as they use the software, which is called recurring commission. And those affiliate programs can be a lot more profitable for you. Your marketing gets people to sign up once, and it can keep bringing you money for months or even for years. I will leave you a few links to affiliate programs with recurring commissions so you can check them out if they fit into your business. Okay, now let's talk about the 7 ways to integrate affiliate marketing into your business. Number 1, YouTube. Besides many other benefits, on YouTube, you can add affiliate links to each video's description. For example, you can do review or demo videos of softwares or products or other types of educational or entertaining videos, and you can tell the viewers to check out the links in the description. Besides YouTube, these types of videos can work on other social media platforms as well. Number 2, social media. Besides videos, social media offers other ways of sharing posts, which you can leverage to give value to your audience and along the process mention them useful affiliate products. Number three, email marketing. It's a great place to integrate affiliate marketing. You can regularly reach out to your list and from time to time mention affiliate products that can help them on their journey. Two important things. One of them is remember people sign up to your list because you promise them they will get certain type of content, certain topics. So keep the affiliate offers related to those topics so your audience would get what you promised. The other important thing is some email autoresponders don't like affiliate marketers, so pick a provider that is affiliate friendly. Number four, podcast. It is a content format that is rapidly gaining more and more popularity. And just like with videos, you can add affiliate links to the show notes. And in the podcast, you can mention to the listeners to check those out. Number five, blog post. Audio, video, and audio-based content are really popular. There are a lot of people who prefer to read. You can serve them with values through blog posts, and inside those blog posts, you can mention relevant affiliate links. Number six, online courses. This is one of the best ways to integrate affiliate marketing into your business, because when you not only get people to sign up to a software, you also teach them how they can succeed with that tool, then the chance that they will use that software for long term is much bigger, which means your chance to get recurring commissions for those users for long term is also higher. Number seven, physical products. If you sell physical products that will be shipped to the customers, then it's great to add a couple of relevant leaflets with affiliate links to the parcel. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button, it helps the channel a bit, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified of the future videos just like this one. Thank you for watching, see you in the next one.